Hello everyone, Ben here with Canyons of Escalante RV Park, and today we wanted to make a video, a how-to video on how to repair the pull cords on your RV couch. If you're like us, the warranty on your trailer was about a year, and then shortly after that things start breaking, but hopefully this video can help you, and let me show you what's going on with ours. So we have our Thomasville 5-seater couch, and what had started happening is you have your pull cords situated on each one, and you pull them and it reclines out, and in that pull cord is a braided steel, and the braided steel fails. You pull it and then they snap off. So what we did was we looked at what we needed and ordered some replacement cables through Amazon, about $6 each. Enough of the goods, let's get into it. Let's see what we need. It looks like this couch is all connected. It's been anchored down from the factory. So we're going to want to pull each of these wood screws out. And then there's some sliding mechanisms where the couch looks like it can, right here, we'll pull them forward and should be able to pivot each of them up, and to get them in and out individually to access the replacements. So one of the slight modifications that I made was this Velcro housing cable routing was stapled. It was too tight to pull any of these larger pieces through, so I had to undo the staple there. But I just brought my housing cable back, routed it through here, put a zip tie, loosened these two screws, was able to get that zip tie through there and replace that housing, tightened it up that way. That concludes our repair video on our eject pull cords for our couch. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it helps. Subscribe. We'll see you later.